Hey everyone, Kristen Belden with Huff Realty. Just wanted to take a moment to share a really quick word with you about the market and what's happening. Yes, interest rates are on the rise, but the sky is not falling. It is still a really good time to get into the market if you've been considering buying or selling a home. We've seen just a slight uptick in the rates since the beginning of the year. We're up to about 4.19 today, which is still a really good rate. It's still really affordable to get into a new home. So if you're thinking of buying your first home or you're thinking of moving up and buying a larger home, then your affordability and what you can afford is looking pretty good right now with the rates being this low. In 2016, we saw 5.45 million homes sold. That's the most homes that we've seen sold since 2006. So over that 10-year gap, we saw the most homes sold in 2016. However, our inventory is low. We only have just about over 3 months of inventory out there for these buyers. And that is the lowest inventory since they've been keeping track since 1999. So the supply and demand is in favor of the sellers. So, and also median house prices are up. So it's the 58th consecutive month of year over year, price increases in median home prices. So what does this all mean? If you're a buyer, you have not missed out on getting an affordable home. You haven't missed out on great mortgage rates. They're still available. But what you do need to do is set yourself apart from these other buyers. So before you even go out to start looking for a home, meet with your realtor and get in connection with a lender who can get you pre-approved and also get your credit in order. So get pre-approved. And then go out and start looking for your home, because when you find the home that you want, you're going to want to make a pretty quick move on getting an offer into that seller, because your competition is pretty high. And you want to stand out from that competition by having your financing in order. And if you're a seller, it's probably in your best interest to go ahead and get on the market now rather than waiting till later in the spring. Typically, sellers seem to wait later in the spring when the weather is warmer and the grass is greener and the flowers are blooming. This year, we'd like to see the sellers get on the market a little bit earlier because the supply is so low. You have a better chance of securing a higher price for your home when you go ahead and get on the market now versus waiting later, because of all of the competition that you'll have with other people putting their homes on the market as well. It's also, buyers, don't let that discourage you, because as the springtime is going to bring out even more buyers as well. So it's really the time for you to be in the market and securing the most home for what you can afford as well. So I hope that helps. I hope it gives you a little bit of insight into what the market is doing. Don't panic. There's still lots of great deals out there to be had and low interest rates. So contact me or your favorite realtor and get going. Good luck.